Ever wondered why the tech industry continues to buzz with excitement and opportunities? It's because technology is constantly evolving, creating a dynamic and fast-paced environment that's ripe with potential. The industry's growth is phenomenal, opening doors to a wealth of opportunities. Landing your first tech job is more than just a paycheck. It's a stepping stone towards a promising and fulfilling career. So, how do you snag that coveted first tech job? Let's unpack it. First impressions matter. Your resume is your introduction to potential employers. Tailoring your resume to the job description is key. It tells employers you understand their needs and are equipped to meet them. Showcase your relevant skills, experiences, and projects. These are the hooks that grab attention. And remember, a clean, easy-to-read layout helps ensure your resume won't get lost in the shuffle. A well-crafted resume can open doors to interviews, so put in the time and make it count. Next, building a portfolio. A portfolio is your digital showcase. It's where you let your work speak for you. Think of it as your own personal gallery, displaying all your past projects that highlight your skills and creativity. But remember, it's not just about the content, it's also about the presentation. Your portfolio should be hosted on a user-friendly platform, easy to navigate and pleasing to the eye. It's your chance to show potential employers your unique approach to problem solving. A strong portfolio can set you apart from other candidates. Next, networking. In the tech industry, who you know can be as important as what you know. It's crucial to cultivate relationships both online, on platforms such as LinkedIn, and offline at industry events. Remember, building relationships today can lead to job opportunities tomorrow. Next is applying for jobs. Job hunting is a numbers game, but it's also about strategy. Cast a wide net, yet stay focused. Target companies and roles that resonate with your skills and passions. Tailor each application to show you're the perfect fit. Remember, every application is a step closer to your first tech job. After applying for a job, you would get called for an interview. The interview is your chance to shine, to convince the employer that you're the right fit. Preparation is key. It's the secret ingredient for acing an interview. Delve deep into the company's mission, its culture, and its challenges. Practice common interview questions, but remember, authenticity trumps rehearsed responses. Showcase your relevant skills and experiences, but don't just tell, show them how you can add value. Remember, an interview is not a test, it's a conversation. With the right preparation, you can turn an interview into a job offer. During this process, you need to continuously learn. In tech, learning never stops. It's a dynamic realm, ever evolving with new skills to master and trends to follow. Embrace a growth mindset, take charge of your professional development, and keep on learning. Remember, every new skill increases your marketability. Now, you're armed with the knowledge to land your first tech job. Take these insights, put them into action, and don't keep this to yourself. Share with others who might find it useful. And yes, subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, your tech career is a journey and it starts with that first step, so take it.